Do you know why eating on banana leaves is beneficial? Those who are not used to serving and eating food on banana leaves may find it very difficult, but this tradition, which has been going on for thousands of years, has its own beliefs and benefits. In many parts of India, people eat food on banana leaves. Eating on banana leaves is part of their local tradition. While the guests are served food in the upper part of the banana leaf, the people of the house themselves eat food by keeping the food in lower part. Sitting on a clean floor, everyone eats food without a fork or spoon. Rice, meat, vegetables, curries, pickles, curd, everything is served on this banana leaf. Although people who are not used to serving and eating food on banana leaves may find it very difficult, but this tradition, which has been going on for thousands of years, has its own beliefs. The benefits of this tradition are really astonishing. Banana leaf is full of polyphenols, a plant-based compound. Polyphenols are natural antioxidants that work to protect the body from free radicals and other disease. While it is not possible to digest banana leaf directly, the food kept in banana leaves absorb the polyphenols from it. Due to this, the body also gets the benefits of these oxidants. Along with this, it is believed that antibacterial properties are found in banana leaf, which eliminate the bacteria present in the food. This reduces the chances of falling ill. Banana leaves have a waxy upper layer. Although this layer is very thin, but its taste is very different when not hot food is served on a banana leaf. This wax melts and mixes with the food, due to which the taste of the food increases. Today, when the protection of the environment has become an important issue, in such a situation, eating food on banana leaf is a worthwhile initiative in terms of environmental protection. Usually, people plates of plastic or styrofoam in banquet or any function, they are simply thrown away after use, whereas it is very easy to decompose banana leaves. Banana leaves do not need a lot of cleaning. They themselves are very hygienic. They can be used after cleaning them with just a little water. Eating in a plastic plate is injurious to health. The biggest advantage of eating a chemical free and comfortable banana leaf is that it does not allow any chemical substance to enter our body. While eating in a plastic plate, some part of the molten plastic also goes into our body, which can also cause a terrible disease like cancer. In such a situation, eating food on banana leaves is very beneficial in terms of health. At the same time, it is also big enough on which all things can be served neatly.